আমরা নদীর ধারে বেড়াতে গেলাম. We went by the side of a river. Hello, welcome to my new video. How are you doing today? I hope all of you doing great and having an amazing day. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about some sentences which are very important. So before we get into video, please don't forget like, comment, share, and give your opinion in the comment section below. Okay? So let's get started. আজকের ভিডিওতে আমরা শিখব কিছু ডেইলি ইউজ সেন্টেন্স। প্রথম সেন্টেন্সটি হচ্ছে আমি সকাল 10টায় তোমার সাথে দেখা করব। আমরা বলতে পারি I shall meet you at 10 a.m. Okay? Very simple. আমাদের স্কুল বিকাল 4টায় ছুটি হয়। Our school breaks up at 4 p.m. আমাদের স্কুল বিকাল 4টায় ছুটি হয়। আমরা রাতে ঘুমাই। We sleep at night. We sleep at night. আমরা রাতে ঘুমাই। Okay? আমরা নদীর ধারে বেড়াতে গেলাম। We went by the side of a river. আমরা নদীর ধারে বেড়াতে গেলাম। তারা দেশের জন্য প্রাণ দিল। They died for the country. বইটি বিক্রির জন্য। The book is for sale. The book is for sale. সে দেরিতে ঘুম থেকে উঠে অথবা সে দেরিতে বিছানা থেকে উঠে। He gets up late from bed. He gets up late from bed. এই বিষয়ে আমার কোনো হাত নেই। I have no hand in this matter. I have no hand in this matter. Okay? বালকটি তার চোখের মণি. The boy is the apple of his eye. So no more today, and just we have learned some sentence in our actually daily life, and which is very important to learn English, and that's the reason that we use so many sentences in our daily life, but we can't translate into English, and that's where we can't speak English, and that's where I hope that you have learned from my videos. If you liked my video, please don't forget like, comment, and share, and see you some other time with new another video. And every single day, I will try to give you some advice to learn English. Because if I've been learning English for many years, and that's why I want to give you some advice for learning English. And if you want to learn English, you can follow my page and you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay? So everyone pray for me, and I pray for everyone that you can achieve our goal. So till then, Allah.